Hi, welcome back to Dilip Rathi's fitness channel. Today's topic is wheezing, congestion in lungs, whistling sound during breath, and unclear breathing are the symptoms of wheezing. Wheezing becoming a growing concern among children. The main reason is weaker immune system, lack of physical workouts, and lack of fresh air. Wheezing affects the overall growth of the human system. Let us know how to get rid of wheezing. Breathe in fresh air only. Avoid usage of air conditioner and fans directly. Spend time in gardening. Spend few minutes near tulsi plants and peepal trees on daily basis. They both are great source of oxygen. Avoid night food, oily and junk food. Always eat fresh and hot food. Get up early in the morning and do pranayam for about 10 minutes. Pranayam cleans lungs and breathing pipes. Avoid damp and dusty surroundings. Within 4 to 5 days, you will get rid of wheezing. If you apply all the above, now act fast and breathe easy. Share and subscribe to my channel for better health. Thank you for watching.